2012 Mercedes. Somebody installed LED headlights. Look how they look like. Let's see if I can show you the right angle. You see? See what's going on? Look at the second one. Does it look like something's wrong? It does to me. The high beams are fine, but the low beams definitely far from being fine. The gentleman asked me to replace these parking lights with LEDs, but I noticed this, so let's correct this. In the back of this headlight, we have a cap. Counterclockwise, open, take the cap out. This is what we have here. Oh boy. You see? You see? This is not good. This has to be here. It's not aligned properly. This happened because the person that was enlarging the hole in this metal bracket was probably impatient. Let's see if I can do it without taking it apart right now. This is how it's supposed to sit in there. If it still keeps popping out from excessive vibration, use a little bit of silicone right around here. That's all. Passenger side, same story. Wow. This is why. Because one side is broken. Wow. So it has to hold on like this. It has to be installed something like this.
I guess y'all gonna
See? Let's move on to the parking lights. The parking lights. You have to go into. This is high beam. You have to open this one. There's LED in here installed already, but we need to get to this side, this corner right here. So we need to take it out. Everything comes out. Let me try to do a little better job over here by showing you this is what we're looking for. That's why I said don't jump into conclusions. Try it like this first. Let's start the car. Okay. Let's see if it's on. Yes, it is. No warning lights. Now let's put the other one that supposedly has no CAN bus. So you can put LEDs here that are not CAN bus prepared. I don't think I like the look of this LED. Let me put a different one in. I think I like this better. You have to put everything back in now. Let's do the other side now. Something is in the way. up. Oh, there was a bolt here. Alright. There's the bracket that holds this. Lower it, pull it out. Very, very limited amount of space to work with, but we can make it happen. Take this out. It's not even in. Ha ha ha. I already pulled this out with needle nose pliers. Now the bolt. This one is going in. So we put it in first and then see if it works without problems. And it does. I put it back in there. And please don't shake it too much so the LED won't fall inside the headlight. Some people tend to do it. Now let's put everything back together. Sorry, I'm one-man show today. I have to put the bracket back on. It's hard to show it because now my flashlight is not working too. Put it in one side first and twist it and clamp it and then lift it up. Whoever has the screw here, put the screw through. That's it. Collect all your stuff. And close the hood. Now we're gonna use it for a little bit, and if there's gonna be any other videos about this car, we are going to update you on the status of all of these lights, unless the owner wants something else to be done to this car, which is also possible. Salute.